The original RAV4 had a heavy tailgate that was very difficult to open. Only the premium version was equipped with an electric tailgate, which was $4,000 more expensive today. We modified it with dual electric struts, which cost less than 2,000 yuan in total. Let's first take a look at the effect of the modification. Install a tailgate control button on the tailgate. Press the tailgate to automatically close. Gently press the original tailgate switch, and the tailgate will automatically open upwards, no longer requiring force to push upwards, but there is also a tailgate switch on the left side of the dashboard. Press and hold this button for 3 seconds to open or close the tailgate. Sitting in the car, you can directly control it without getting out of the car and walking to the back to open the tailgate. It is really convenient. The remote control can also control the opening or closing of the electric tailgate. Many friends are curious about how to install the electric tailgate. Let me show you below. First, remove all the decorative panels behind the illegal cover. Then remove the fixing screws of the decorative panels. And remove the decorative panels on the trunk cover one by one. We will remove all the pneumatic struts of their original car. Replace the strut bracket of the original car with a special bracket for the electric tailgate. And install the left and right electric struts. Let's compare the electric strut with the pneumatic strut of the original car. Remove the ordinary lock blocks from the original rear of the car and replace them with our electric suction function lock blocks.